Oh wow, copper and gold, what a great combination. I would have never thought of doing it. Chat beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a great week. It's very rainy here in Sheffield. I mean, you're going to be watching this video when me and Jamie are in Italy for our holidays, but I'm filming it of course ahead. And today is very miserable raining day. It's quite cold as well. Been to the gym this morning, and on my way back home from the gym I got soaked because I didn't have my brollies with me. Oh well, it's one of those things. Then I go home and I got these lovely parcels arrived from Craspire. So the team have contacted me asking to do a sponsored video. So yes, I did like the products that I saw online, and I decided to yes, do a collaboration with them. So you might see several other creators working with Craspire. We all different bits and bobs. I will put all the links that you can see today down below. I do get quite a lot of sponsorship requests, but I'm quite picky of the brand that showcase to my channel for two different reasons. One is because some brands don't fit really well with my channel, or I do not quite agree with what they do. And two, even if I'm paid or I got sent things for free, I will always tell the truth. And I'm very clear with the brand that that's what I do. So some of them decide, okay, no, that's fine. I mean, I'm not going to say that something is brilliant only because I got paid to receive the products. And getting paid to receive the products is not because I want to be a millionaire, but of course everybody's got bills to pay and everybody's got supplies to buy. So sponsorship for me is a great way to found the channel, because at the end of the day I got glue, papers, printers, inks, all of these things to buy. So no, I'm justifying, I'm just gonna say how it is. So all the brands that you see on my channel are genuine, and you know, and I'm very genuinely back with you guys, because at the end of the day it's my reputation, it's my face. And then if something is not right, I don't want to say go and buy it or advertise something that I don't really believe in. Okay, just a little disclaimer. So let me show you what I've got. So I've got 2 packs of lovely washi tape. I don't tend to buy myself some washi tape, only because I'm not a massive washi tape fan. But then I thought this would be amazing if we do a masterboard only using those to create some autumnal project. So I'm gonna make some autumnal project with this, and I got 2 of those. Everything that you see here will be linked down below. So if you guys wish to purchase it, there is also a discount code as well, so everything is listed down below. So that's 2 of them. Then I've got another 2 which are lovely, very like up on my street. So we've got this vintage looking, so you got it looks like ephemera. Love them. And again, what am I going to do, guys? I'm going to put on a sheet of paper and I'm going to put them all together, and we're going to create some embellishment with them, because that's how I love to use washi tapes. So, and then this one is another one with a map of the world. This works really well with my new the Adventurous Traveler kit, because it's all like mappy. So I do another video with those. So I'm very happy about this. So let's I'll test the quality and I will let you know. Then I got some seal wax. Now Craspire is quite well known for their wax seals, so I've got them, and I was so excited to try all these colors. I mean, look at these amazing colors: silver, white, purple, red, gold, all sorts of different colors. I'm so excited to try them. And then in the box you get 2 of those and a pack of tea light. so you can warm it up and melt them. So excited. I'm very, very excited to try these waxes. So, I mean, look at that, green, pink. Yes, very, 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 very happy. Then I've got these 3 sets. So this one here, I think, if I remember, yes, it's a box. In fact, let me open it. So is a die cut set to make a flowered box. Okay, so that's the base of the box, and then you've got all the flowers embellishment. How pretty is that? Okay, so those 3 are for you guys. So I'm going to do a giveaway. So these 3 prizes are for you. So that's one. So, and I'm sorry about the glare, but I'm hoping that you'll be able to see it. So that's the base of the box, that's the embellishment. Then you have another set here, which you get stamps and die cut. So you've got, let me show you the stamp first. I need something white. So the little sentiment, they're made with love just for you, you and me, made with care. You're invited also to and from, love them. And then you get some die cut shapes. So you've got flag, a flower, a jar, mason jar, hearts, and a little star, a box, a gift box with a star, and a pocket, it looks like a denim pocket, and some clouds. So you can make mini tags with those because you can layer them, or you can make a little embellishment. So it's totally up to you guys. So that's a little treat for you. So when I picked them, I was like, yes, the guys will love these. So that's prize 1, that's prize 2. Let me put it back. Hope you don't mind me, guys, open this. And because it's so flat, I will ship them worldwide. So but keep watching my videos, because they will appear as little hidden giveaways in some of the videos. This one I'm not bothered to open it, because you can see from the packaging, from the glare, they are flowers, dies to make flowers. Okay, so 3 prizes for you guys. Okay, so what I'm gonna do today, I'm going to make some wax seals. What I tend to do, I'll do another video with the washi tape, so we're gonna have 2 videos. So I'm going to, let me show you what I use when I make my wax seal. Let me get it and I'll be right back. So let me get a wax. I always use, this is a silicone mold with a macaroon. So I use this when I do my homemade soaps. I did a soaps with a lot of macaroons, of course, soaps macaroons. So anyway, so I use the back of that, because when you work with silicone and you put wax, it peels off straight away. So I am super excited. Sorry, I'm gonna make a bit of a noise. Sorry about that awful noise. So I'm going to make quite a lot of this. Now, one thing I need to figure it out is how I clean. So I guess I can just use baby wipe, cleaning wipes, the wax from the spoon here. So I'm going to start with the green wax, and we're going to wait and see. What I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to make some, I'm going to speed it up because otherwise this video would be too long, and then I'll show you the result. This is what I've got from for our wedding when me and Jamie got married. So it's A and J, because we did all the invites and we put our wax seals on it. Yeah, so it was actually really cool. So that's A and that's J. So I'm gonna make some of these and I'll be right back to show you. But it's melting very, very fast. I love that green. All this wax, and I don't know if you can see them, I'll put it close to the camera. They got mica in it. So the actual sparkle, can you see the mica? You probably see, yeah. So I mean, those three colors work really well together. So yeah, right, I'm going to having a little go. I always use a kebab stick to make sure it's melting equally. Okay guys, I'm going to have a little play and I'll be right back and I'll show you all the wax seals I made. Okay guys, so that's the colors, all the waxes. So you got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 colors. I'm going to give a quick tour. I love them. I absolutely love them. And I love the fact that these waxes have micas in it. So they got that sort of like metallic finish. Can you see the A? Red and white. I have no issue with the waxes whatsoever. Look, you could probably see the mica in there because you got that sparkle. That's the black and the peach. It looks yellow, but it's more like a peach color. I love the black. And then that's the three metallics, the gold, the copper and the silver, and I absolutely love them. So you've got plenty of color waxes in the box. Now my only concern, it's not a concern, but is an observation. These are very flimsy. See, I'm literally bent it with next to literally no strength. So, but again, for the price is a good value. But it could have been a bit thicker. But apart from that, the wax performs very, very well. So I can't just say anything. And also what you can do, and I had to stop myself because I was like, okay, Antonio, if you keep going, it's like you're going to use all the waxes. So that's using one color and I mixed them 3. So on this one, you can see the A. So in here, there is a white and the 2 greens, more like a olive green and the emerald green. And on here, I put the black, the gold and the purple. Love it, love it, love it. What I tend to do when I do my when I play with wax seals, I get my obsession. As you guys know, I'm obsessed to that color. It's the if you wish to purchase, it's the Pibeo Gideo. It's the color is called Gold Renaissance, and it's my favorite gilding wax on this planet. So I tend to go all over with the gold and enhance the letter. And I do that with all my waxes. I mean, if you look at that and maybe pass me another green, can you see the difference? So with the gold wax, your letter will stand up even more. And I think you will probably tell even better on the white. Yeah, wow. Look at that. Okay, I'm going to play with these waxes. I'm going to create some embellishment, and then I will come back and show you really quickly because I don't want this video to be very long, but just really quickly. Oh, I love these. Look at this color, like pinkish peach pink and the gold. Excuse me. Oh, let's try with the black. Oh, lovely, lovely, lovely. Yeah, it's lovely. Look at that. Let's try this green. Wow, beautiful. What we got left? Silver and 2 more. I think we got those 2 and then we've done them all, haven't we? So we got this yellow and the copper. Oh wow, copper and gold, what a great combination. I would have never thought of doing it. Right, I'm going to use them in some embellishment and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I've got some of my projects that I've done previously, and this is what I want to show you, that you can decorate. You can use this wax seal, sorry, to decorate anything. You can make little embellishments like this little card, put some stamps and of course the wax seals. Then you can use them on cards, Christmas, not yet, thank you cards or happy birthday tags. Just put that in there. Love cards like this because you've got a lot of different things going on. You can use them as little embellishment. Remember, this is the 3D flowers. Oops, oh sorry, I move it too soon, it's not dry yet. That we did using my happy haberdashery kit, and I think this looks so cool because it looks like a gigantic flower, but I touched it too soon, it's not dry yet. Then you can make ATCs. That's an ATC size with some white. I love the white on white theme, white on white. You got precious little text there, and then the flower. I love this. This is that's very me. I love it. You've got lots of different details going on. You can make little clusters. Love that. Literally, guys, you can do anything that you like. You can decorate tags. That is the silver. I think that silver works really well with these tags. This tag's part of my bubbly butterflies embellishments. What else can we make? We can decorate envelopes, not just on the back, because that's what you will normally do, put them in there, but you can use them on the front as well. I think it goes really well together. And then put one in there. I love this black, the contrast with the black and the gold with the rest of the colors. Very shabby but also quite dramatic. We love dramas, don't we? We're very drama queens. Yeah. And then two more. I've got this little tags embellishment with that in there. And then last, another cluster. It's all blue and teal color, like that. Okay, that is it for today, guys. I hope you like this little embellishment project, and that's the 3 spares. So they're gonna go into another project. Thank you so much, Craspire, for sponsoring the channel. We've got a couple of videos coming up in the next couple of weeks, so keep watching. There is a discount code if you wish to purchase any of these products, and I will put the link down below. Guys, we'll see you Friday for the Friday freebie, and until then, big thumbs up, of course, that will really support the channel and the video. And until the next Friday freebie, stay safe and well.